This short video will take you through the steps for finding an Ultra Collaborate recording or a web conference recording in your MyLO unit. So the first step is to go to the unit homepage of your unit and then navigate to content. You can click on content here in the nav bar. Once you've navigated to content, use the table of contents to find the location of the course room or the session room in your unit. You'll see here that this purple square with an arrow going into it is usually an indicator that you found the web conference. It may be called something different depending on the unit you're in. So click on the name of the unit, the name of the Collaborate space, and then that will take you into something that maybe looks a little bit like this. You'll see here on the top left-hand corner of the black sessions area, there are 3 lines, which usually indicates a menu. That's something that's common across the web, is those 3 lines often open then up a menu, and go down here to where it says recordings and click on recordings. It will then, you then have the option to show recent recordings or show recordings in a range. So if there's a large number of recordings, you can choose a date range to select from. In this one I'm looking at here, there's only 2 sessions, and what I can do here is I can have a look at the date. So this one was recorded on the 29th of July, this at 10 o'clock in the morning, and this one was recorded on the 27th of July. So whichever one it is that I'm wanting to access, I can then select. So I'm just going to select this top one by selecting View Recording. Now you'll see this button here enables you to download it, whereas View Recording will then just open it up immediately in your browser window. And once the purple circle stops turning around, that may well mean that the recording has loaded. So as you can see there, it says it may take a few minutes. And then you can see, so it just opens up in your browser window with Blackboard Collaborate, and you'll see this little button in the center. Simply click on that and it should start playing. And there is a pause button down in the bottom of the browser window. So once it starts playing, you're able to navigate around within the system. Okay, I'm just going to close that off though, because that may take a long time to load, which isn't very interesting. And you can then actually just close that tab when you're finished, and because your MyLO site will still be open in a different browser window. So there you go, that's how you access a recording in Ultra Collaborate.